सी बच्चों, suppose this is a prism. Okay, name this prism as A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, this is the front face of the prism. Okay, and this is the angle of prism. This is called the angle of prism. Okay, so this is the angle of prism. Okay, now suppose this is an incident ray. When this incident ray incident on this first face, so what will happen? This is a rare medium and this is a denser medium. So this ray bent toward the normal. So this is the surface, and firstly we have to draw a normal perpendicular. Okay, so what will happen, that actual this ray goes to like this way. Okay, but because there is a difference in the medium, this is rare medium and this is denser medium, this ray bent towards a normal, okay. Is this clear? Now the angle between normal and incident ray is your incident angle I, and this is your incident ray. So what will happen after refraction? This rays goes like this, it bends toward normal, and this is your angle of refraction. Is this clear? Now what will happen when this light ray enter this face? Okay, then what will happen? This is the denser medium and this is the rare medium. So at this time when this ray goes out from the prism, that then it move away from the normal. So firstly we have to draw a normal on this face. This is the normal. Okay, so actual this is the path, but it goes away from the normal. Okay, and the angle between this emergence ray and this normal is called angle of emergence, which is denoted by small e. Okay, this is your incident ray and this angle is incident angle. This is your refracted ray and this is your refracted angle, and this is your emergent ray, emergence ray, and this is your emergence angle, this one. Okay, now when we move this, okay, like this, okay, this is the incident ray and this is the emergence ray. When they intersect at this point, this angle, this one, okay, this angle, basically this angle is called the angle of deviation, which is represented by D. In many books you can see as del. Okay, then don't confuse. In many books this sign is used, but in your book D is written over there. So this is the angle of deviation. Actually what will happen, this ray goes to like this, okay, but it bend through this angle. Okay, if you see, this is the basically this is the direction of the ray, but it bends like this. Okay, this is the bending angle and it moves like this. So this is the angle of deviation, and this entire diagram is for action of light through a prism.